Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn chemistry from zero. Begin by understanding atomic structure, focusing on protons, neutrons, and electrons. Next, familiarize yourself with the periodic table, recognizing its organization and the properties of different elements. Finally, grasp the fundamental concepts of chemical bonding, distinguishing between ionic and covalent bonds. This foundational knowledge is crucial for building your chemistry understanding. Once you have the basics down, move on to core concepts. Dive into chemical reactions, learning how to balance equations and apply stoichiometry to predict quantities. Explore the different states of matter, solids, liquids, and gases, and understand the transitions between them. Additionally, grasp the principles of acids and bases, including the pH scale and neutralization reactions. These concepts are central to much of chemistry. Consistent practice is key to mastering chemistry. Dedicate time to solving a wide variety of practice problems, which will solidify your understanding of theoretical concepts. Utilize online resources, such as educational websites and video tutorials, alongside your textbooks for extra exercises. Furthermore, try to apply what you learn to real-world examples or simple home experiments to see chemistry in action. As you progress, regularly review foundational topics to ensure long-term retention. Once comfortable, consider exploring more advanced areas like organic chemistry, which focuses on carbon compounds, or physical chemistry, which applies physics principles. Always strive to connect new information with concepts you've already learned, building a comprehensive and interconnected understanding of the subject.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.